Hey everybody, this is Walkaround. Wanted to show off the car. Now that I've fixed the PCV piping, and it is not a bunch of crap, so let me fire it up. As you can see, it idles just fine. That whirring noise is the input shaft bearing on my transmission, because if I put the clutch in here, it goes away. So pay it no mind. We'll go ahead and clutch in so that it doesn't bother anybody. And we'll give it a little rev. And it goes right back to idle where it's supposed to. No big deal. Alrighty, let's take a look under the hood. Okay, so down here is where the PCV was. You can see it's got a brand new hose, brand new hose clamp, and it goes down to over here. Up here, the valve cover breather has a new hose and new gasket, which goes down to here. No more hissing noise from the intake. That was because of the vacuum leak through the PCV, so it's gone. The clutch fan, though, is still loud, so I apologize for that. But otherwise, it runs really good. So there you go. Nissan L Series straight 6, actually running properly for once. See you, everybody.